Jonathan, welcome to the Leanpub launch video for our Software Developers Handbook Volume 1. I was wondering if you could take a moment to talk to me and to all of us a little bit about your book and what it's about and who it's for.
Thank you very much. Okay, so the book is Volume 1 of a many-volume series, and is basically walking you through my career, how it unfolded for me, and the things that I learned along the way. So I learned about reuse and complexity early on. Maybe some developers don't necessarily learn that as early on as I did, but maybe there are lessons that I learned later on, and you learned things early on in your career. What it is just a story, a bunch of anecdotes filled with lots of ideas about software, some reference, but not much, mainly just giving you the bigger picture around software to give you tools to understand. Right. Later on, there might be even politics involved in Volume 3, but it's just, I think it's a good read for you to understand the whole picture around software development and understand how others experience their careers as well.
Yeah, I think I've seen a lot of these books, and they're all the books on Leanpub are great, but the idea of structuring it sort of as a look back on your own career, but with the practical things that you learned along the way for someone who's starting out their career is just a really good way of combining sort of strong technical learning with career learning as well, and anecdotes that can kind of anchor the learning in your mind as you're learning it. The book is The Software Developers Handbook, Volume 1 by Jonathan Crossland. Thank you very much, Jonathan, for taking the time to do this short video with us today.
Thanks very much.